Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to embed a YouTube video gallery on Weebly. This is a fantastic way to showcase your YouTube content directly on your website, making it easier for visitors to discover and engage with your videos without leaving your site. Let's start by heading to Weebly.com and logging into your Weebly account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your home page. Direct your attention to the left menu where you'll see the website option. Go ahead and click on it, and beneath that, you'll find Edit Site. Click that to proceed. You'll be presented with a list of websites you can edit if you have multiple sites. Choose the website you want to work on, then look to the right side of the screen and click the Edit button. This will take you directly into the editor page of your website where you can make all your customizations. Now, before we dive deeper into Weebly, we need to grab the embedded code for our YouTube video gallery first. Open a new tab and navigate to elfsite.com, then log into your account. Once you're in, look at the left side menu and click on Add New App. In the search bar that appears, type YouTube Gallery and click on the YouTube Gallery option. You'll be shown a selection of templates to choose from, browse through them, and pick the one that best fits your website's style, then click Continue with this template. Next, you'll need to copy your YouTube channel URL. This is the link to your YouTube channel that contains all the videos you want to display. Paste it into the designated field. After that, click Publish in the upper right corner to finalize your gallery settings. Now head back to your homepage on Elfsite. Find your newly created YouTube gallery in your list of apps. Click the three dots next to it and select Embed Code. Simply copy the code that appears. This code is what will allow your gallery to appear on your Weebly site. Let's return to the editor page in Weebly. Make sure you're on the Build tab in the top menu, as this is where you'll add elements to your site. Focus on the left side menu and look for the element called Embed Code. If you can't spot it immediately, click Show All Elements to expand your options. Once you've found the embed code element, simply drag it onto your website where you want the YouTube gallery to appear. Click on the element once it's placed and select Edit Custom HTML. A text box will pop up, and this is where you'll paste the embedded code you copied from Elfsite. And that's it. You've successfully embedded a YouTube video gallery on your Weebly website, giving your visitors an engaging way to explore your video content. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.